What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're going to be making something called the Pegu Club cocktail. This drink and club is named after a Myanmar river, the Pegu River. The specs for this drink can be traced back to 1927 in the cocktail book Barflies and Cocktails by Harry McElhone. I think I said that right. From Harry's New York bar in Paris, France. So let's get started, shall we? First, what we're going to do is get our knife. And we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Okay, about 1 whole lime. Now we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Curaçao. I'm using Pierre Fernand dry Curaçao. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Bombay Sapphire. And I ran out and I need like a 1/4 more ounce. 1 moment. And we're back. I have just some Beefeater gin. Trying to get rid of the Bombay Sapphire. Okay. So 2 ounces of gin. And then we're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And you might have seen 3. Again, I use a bitters dasher bottle, and they're usually smaller than if just using it out of the regular Angostura bottle. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add ice to our gin. And then combine and shake. Perfect. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, perfect. Then what we're gonna do is get a chilled cocktail glass. I'm using a Nicanora glass. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna double strain into our cocktail glass. Chilled cocktail glass. Ooh, ice chunk almost came out. Perfect. Okay. And then the recipe that I found calls for a lime peel garnish. I'm not a big fan of lime peel garnishes. They're just too, I don't know the right word for it. It just, it doesn't ever work out well for me. So I'm just going to be using an orange peel. We're just going to. Oh, hey, that was really cool. I can't believe I actually got that on camera. Oh Lord. Let's just express the oils. And then shoop, whoop. And there we have it. The Pegu Club cocktail. Let's give it a sip. It's a very, very refreshing drink for anyone that lives down under in the Southern Hemisphere. This is probably the perfect drink to consume right now. And the orange peel fell, whatever. So you definitely get those first hits of juniper from the Beefeater gin and from the Bombay gin. Then you get the lime juice that really goes well with the Curaçao, the orange notes of the Curaçao. Very citrusy forward, and it's very bright. And right now it's fall in Southern California. It's actually chilly. It's like 60 degrees. But yeah, this is definitely a summer sipper. This would be good with a not Chilean sea bass, but some type of fried fish. Oh, this would be a really good pairing. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon. I don't know why I'm pointing. So you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, everyone, have a great week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.